Before cotton can become premium clothing, it must first pass through the ginning process, where leaves, stems, dust, cotton gin is one of the most important inventions in textile manufacturing, separating cotton fibers from their seeds with incredible speed and precision. Cotton batches are blended together to create consistent fiber quality, ensuring every premium fabric has the same strength, softness, and appearance. After conditioning, the cotton is compressed into dense bales, making transportation efficient while protecting the fiber from contamination. Spinning mill transforms soft cotton fibers into strong, uniform yarn, the essential building block of every premium fabric. Combines multiple cotton slivers into one uniform strand, improving consistency before the spinning process begins.
Entering the modern roving frame, precision rollers gently stretch the fibers. A preliminary
The roving now enters the ring spinning frame, where thousands of fibers are stretched and twisted into fine, durable. Automatic winding combines multiple spinning bobbins into larger precision cones, ensuring uninterrupted production during fabric manufacture. Before weaving begins, the yarn must be carefully prepared to ensure every thread moves through the loom with maximum precision. Coats each warp thread with a thin protective layer, reducing friction and preventing breakage during high-speed weaving. Jet looms use powerful bursts of compressed air to insert each weft thread at incredible speed, producing premium fabric with exceptional consistency. Before becoming premium clothing, the fabric undergoes an intensive washing process to remove sizing chemicals. Bleaching removes the natural cream color of raw cotton, creating a brilliant white fabric that serves as the perfect foundation for premium garments. A specialized finishing process that strengthens cotton fibers while enhancing softness, durability, and the luxurious appearance of premium fabric. Stabilizes the fabric's dimensions, helping premium garments maintain their shape after repeated washing and everyday use. Every roll of premium fabric is carefully inspected to ensure it meets strict international quality standards before garment production begins. Garment production begins with precise fabric spreading, ensuring every pattern piece is perfectly aligned before automated cutting starts. With the fabric now perfectly woven and finished, the next stage brings it to life through advanced textile dyeing. Dyes form strong molecular bonds with cotton fibers, producing vibrant colors that remain soft, breathable, and resistant to repeated washing. Modern textile factories repeat this highly controlled process for every production color, ensuring identical quality across an entire premium clothing collection. Only after passing rigorous color and quality inspections can premium fabric move to the garment manufacturing. Fabric spreading creates perfectly aligned layers, allowing every shirt component to be cut with exceptional precision and minimal material waste. Every premium dress shirt begins as a digital pattern. Advanced CAD software calculates each component with millimeter. Once cutting is complete, every shirt component is automatically sorted before assembly begins, ensuring every garment follows the exact production sequence.
The collar is one of the most important elements of a premium dress shirt.
Multiple fabrics are fused together, create a crisp shape that remains. Front panel defines the appearance of every premium dress shirt. Precise alignment ensures the pocket, placket, and buttons remain perfectly straight from collar to hem. Nicely shaped sleeves are attached using synchronized automated stitching systems, ensuring every seam delivers comfort, strength, and a tailored appearance.
Collar transforms a simple garment into a premium dress shirt, demanding exceptional precision during the final assembly process.
Precision hemming strengthens the garment while creating the clean, refined finish expected from premium dress shirts. Each button is sewn with carefully controlled thread tension to ensure long-lasting durability while maintaining the elegant appearance of every premium shirt. Steam finishing relaxes the cotton fibers, removes every wrinkle, and gives each premium dress shirt its crisp, luxurious appearance. Before reaching customers, every premium dress shirt undergoes a final inspection where artificial intelligence can labels, size information, and care instructions complete every garment, providing customers with confidence in both authenticity and craftsmanship. Luxury packaging protects every garment during transportation, while reflecting the premium craftsmanship and attention to detail behind each shirt. Before leaving the factory, every shipment is carefully organized for efficient global distribution, ensuring premium garments arrive in perfect condition anywhere in the world. When customer orders arrive, intelligent warehouse management systems instantly locate every shipment, allowing thousands of From a single textile factory, premium cotton dress shirts begin a global journey, supplying luxury retailers. Completing an extraordinary manufacturing journey, the premium dress shirts are delivered to luxury fashion boutiques, ready to become part of everyday professional style. Every premium shirt represents months of agricultural work, advanced engineering, precision manufacturing. Every premium dress shirt carries the story of thousands of skilled hands, advanced machines, and one remarkable natural fiber, cotton. Premium cotton remains one of the world's most valued natural fibers because it combines exceptional comfort, durability, breathability, and timeless style. Behind every premium shirt lies an extraordinary collaboration between nature, innovation, engineering, and skilled craftsmanship.
From a cotton field to a premium fashion collection, this remarkable journey demonstrates how one of nature's simplest fibers becomes.
Every premium cotton dress shirt begins with a single plant, passes through remarkable engineering and skilled craftsmanship,